Okay, we are back again. In the unit number 3, the next topic is the worm. Here in the last lecture, now this is the terminology of worm gear. We are going to start worm gear here. Worm gear is also a very important part. Let's first we will understand the terminology of worm gear. So worm gear is designated in this way. That is Z1, Z2, Q and M. So what is Z1? What is Z2? Let's see. Z1 is the number of start on the worm. This is a worm. Okay, this is worm, and worm wheel is this. This is worm wheel. Hmm? So Z1 is the number of start on this worm and Z2 is number of start on this wheel. Now Q is the diametral quotient. Now what is the diametral quotient? It is nothing but the ratio of this circle diameter to the module. Let's see. This is Q is equal to D1 by M. What is D1? D1 is the diameter. You can see here. D1 is the diameter of worm. Okay. And D2 is the diameter of worm wheel. Here the pitch is what? You can see here. The axial pitch which I showed. This is the axial pitch. That is distance from one teeth to another teeth is the axial pitch. This is the center distance. Okay, from this axis to this axis, and this is the pitch for worm. So pitch cylinder of worm. This is this. M is the module. Now D1 is the pitch circle as I told you. D1, D2 circle diameter. So worm is similar to a screw. This worm. It is nothing but like a screw. So it can be multi-start, that is single start, double start, three start, four start, like this. Let's see. So the terms which we use, axial pitch, as I told you that this is the axial pitch, px or is p. The distance between the two consecutive teeth is the pitch distance, that is px, or here it is p. Lead is what? Lead is nothing but distance that a point on the helical profile will move. That means when we are going to rotate this worm, when it will complete one revolution, the distance traveled by it, that means how much threads it will travel, that is nothing but the lead. So for single start it is equal to axial pitch, and for double start it is twice, for triple start it is thrice, like this. So it is formula, it is given in this way. Lx is equal to pxz1. So the pitch circle diameter is d2m into z2. Now so the px is equal to what? Pi d2 upon z2. Pi d2 is what? M into z2. We put this value, this z2 z2 will get cancelled. The axial pitch is nothing but pi into the module. This is the formula for finding the axial pitch. Now this is the velocity ratio for number of start and all this thing. If 20 and above is there, single start is there. 20, 12 and 36 is there, double start is there. So this is how it is being done. This start means what? In one revolution it will complete one thread. If two thread is covering, that is this, and it means it's a double start, then triple start, all these things are there. Now this is the diagram. Let's understand another terminologies, that is lead angle. Yes, here is the lead angle. This is gamma. We can see here. It is the tangent to the thread. This is a thread and a tangent drawn here, and a common normal drawn here. Whatever the angle will be made, that angle will be nothing but the lead angle. Okay, it is important in designing the screw, and its formula is Z1 by Q. By this mathematical equation we can find it out. Now helix angle, it is very important because this screw is having a helical profile, and that is nothing but the threaded part. So helix angle is involved, that is psi, and it is defined, it is shown here, the psi angle. It is nothing but this angle, that is when the tooth profile it is projected, and between the center line, the angle between this tooth and the center line is your helix angle, and it is important here. Now pressure angle is nothing but actually it is the half of this. Okay, here you can see this, it is 2 times alpha, and if you make a half of this, you will get an angle, because this angle is your alpha. Okay, and the center distance is what we have seen here. This is the center distance. Okay, it is half m into q plus 2. So when the worm wheel is rotated through one revolution, the worm will complete z2 revolution. Okay, for single start, and for double start it is z2 by 2. So this is the things. Therefore the speed ratio will be what? I is equal to z2 by z1, which is we have seen in the other gears also. Same it is. Now one important thing which I want to tell you, that is single enveloping and the double enveloping. Single enveloping will look like this type, which we have seen. It is widely used. And double enveloping, it's having a herringbone type of gear here, and it's having a spiral teeth on the wheel also. So this types of structure, whenever you get, it is a double enveloping worm gear drive. Okay, sometimes it is called hourglass worm, or it is cone gearing also. And the preferred value for z1, z2, q and m is given in this table. Okay, so transmission ratio approximately it is given. Then center distance, based on the center distance, these are the combination which we used. So preferred value for q is 8, 10, 12.5, 16, 20 and 25. And for z1 it is 1, 2 and 4 number of starts. Okay, so this is how it has been done. These are the terminology of worm gear. Okay,